Whispering to the machine, the art of prompt engineering. Imagine a world where you can talk to a machine like it's a person, knowing what you need and answering you right. Imagine talking to a big smart machine. This machine ain't just any computer, it's a fancy AI system that can understand and use tough information. This machine can make words, change languages, write different stories and stuff, and answer your questions real good. It can help you think of ideas, write emails, make up stories, and even figure out hard problems. But it needs you to show it how. Without the right directions, even the best AI can give you answers that don't make sense or help. That's where prompt engineering comes in. It's how we make prompts that tell the AI what we need real good. Prompt engineering is like making good prompts. It means knowing how to ask questions and make requests so the AI understands just right. These prompts are like messages that tell AI models like ChatGPT what to do. If you put good stuff in, you get good stuff out. A good prompt helps the AI work its best. It gets you the answers you want. Like a really clear and specific prompt can get you better and more helpful answers. Think of it like talking to the machine. The clearer you talk, the better the machine listens and answers. You wouldn't ask wishy-washy questions and want a straight answer, would you? It's the same with talking to AI. Same goes for AI. Good, short and thought-out prompts make it work better and give you the right answers. Prompt engineering is like a bridge between what we want and what the machine understands. It's the key to making AI work as good as it can. It lets us use the power of AI for all kinds of things. From doing boring stuff for us to making creative things, the sky's the limit with good prompt engineering. If you learn to use prompt engineering real good, you can change how you work with AI, making it a strong tool for every day and at work. As we make AI better, prompt engineering is going to be even more important, shaping how we work with machines in the future.
The Prompt Engineer's Toolkit. Skills for Success. What do you need to be good at prompt engineering? It's knowing how things work and thinking outside the box. First, you gotta know how to talk good. You need to say what you mean clearly and without a bunch of extra words. Knowing how AI models work and what they can do is important. Understanding how these models use information helps you make prompts that work. You gotta be good at solving problems. You need to take big jobs and break them down into smaller prompts. A little bit of creativity can help you get unexpected and cool results. Lastly, you gotta be okay with trying things out and trying again. The world of AI is always changing, and so are the best ways to do prompt engineering.
A day in the life crafting conversations with AI. A prompt engineer's day is never boring. It's a mix of solving problems in new ways and making the tech stuff work. Picture this. You start your day by checking out what's new with AI. You gotta know about the newest models and tricks. Then, you talk with your team to figure out what the project needs. This could be anything from making ads to building a chatbot. You spend most of your day making and fixing prompts. You try different ways of saying things and settings to get the AI to give you what you want. All day you look at what the AI says back, changing your prompts to make them more accurate and relevant. Your job is to make sure people and AI can work together smoothly and get things done.
Section 4. Prompt Engineering in Action Real-World Applications. Prompt engineering can be used for a lot of things, and it's always growing. It's changing how we use technology, making it easier to use and understand what we need. Let's look at some real examples to see how it's changing things. Content creation. Imagine making catchy ads, writing different kinds of stories, or even making music, all with AI helping you following your prompts. Writers and marketers can now make good stuff faster than ever, so they can focus on being creative and planning instead of doing boring tasks. Chatbots and virtual assistants. Prompt engineers are really important for making chatbots that can understand and talk to people like a real person. These AI helpers are getting smarter, giving personalized customer service, managing schedules, and even being there for you when you need support. Data analysis and summarization. AI can look at tons of information and tell you the important stuff, but it needs the right prompts to know what to focus on. This is changing industries like finance, healthcare, and marketing, where using data to make decisions is super important. Translation and language learning. Prompt engineering can make computer translations better and sound more natural, making it easier to understand different languages. This is really helpful for global business, travel, and education, where talking clearly is important. These are just a few ways prompt engineering is changing things. From making creative stuff better to improving how we talk to customers and understanding lots of information, it can do so much. As AI gets better, there's no limit to what we can do. The future is going to be really cool as prompt engineering keeps changing, opening up new doors in technology and innovation.
Section 5. Embarking on your prompt engineering journey. Ready to start your adventure with prompt engineering? It's gonna be exciting and tough with lots of chances to make new things and be creative. Here's how to get started on the right foot. 1. Learn more. Start by learning about different AI models like ChatGPT and what they can do. It's important to know what these models are good at and what they're not so good at. There's a bunch of stuff online and classes you can take. Websites like Coursera, Udacity, and even YouTube have good tutorials and lessons. 2. Try it out. The best way to learn is to do it. Jump into prompt engineering by trying out different prompts. See how the AI responds to different prompts. Pay attention to what works and what doesn't, and get better at it. Lots of platforms let you use AI models for free to try things out. Websites like OpenAI, Hugging Face, and Google AI have tools and places to test your prompts. 3. Join the group. Connect with other prompt engineers and people who like AI. Talking to others can teach you a lot and open up new doors. Online forums and communities are good for sharing what you know, asking for help, and seeing what's new. Platforms like Reddit, Stack Overflow, and special AI forums are good places to start. 4. Make a portfolio. Keep track of your prompt engineering experiments and projects. Writing down what you do helps you see how much you've learned and shows off your skills. Having a portfolio that shows what you can do and how creative you are is really helpful when you're looking for a job. Include details about what you did, the problems you had, and how you fixed them. This shows people you're good at the technical stuff and at solving problems. Remember, AI and prompt engineering are always changing. Be curious, keep learning, and don't be scared to try new things. You're just starting out, and there's so much you can do.
Section 6. The future of prompt engineering. A world of possibilities. Prompt engineering is changing fast. As AI models get smarter, prompt engineers are going to be even more important. We're going to see more special tools and platforms made just for prompt engineering. These tools will help us use AI more easily and get more done. More and more companies are going to need prompt engineers. Companies everywhere are seeing how much AI can change things. The future is bright for those who want to learn how to talk to machines. Prompt engineering isn't just a job, it's a chance to change how we use technology in the future.
At a Section 7, Conclusion Shaping the Future. One prompt at a time. In a world where artificial intelligence is everywhere, prompt engineering connects how smart we are to what machines can do. It's how we guide AI to do amazing things, from making creative stuff to figuring out tough problems. Like we talked about, being a prompt engineer means you've got to be good with words, understand tech, and think outside the box. It's a field with lots of opportunities for those who want to see what AI can really do. Remember, it all starts with one prompt. So give it a try, experiment, and you never know. You might end up changing the future, one prompt at a time.